Welcome to our video on how to make this 3D part. First we will make front view projection sketch. And we will remove material with this sketch. You can note this dimensions. Let's start activity. Select Part Design Workbench. Click here to add a new document. Add body. Add a new sketch. Select XZ plane. Turn off auto constraints. Turn on grid and adjust size. Select Polyline tool and draw a rough sketch. It shows degrees of freedom to make this sketch fully constrained. Constraints from Polyline tool. Line elements for this closed sketch. Provide vertical constraints. You can see reduced degrees of freedom. Provide horizontal constraints. Provide length. Only 2 planar degrees of freedom are remaining. We will use Coincident Constraint tool. You can see fully constrained sketch. Let's extrude this sketch by Pad tool. Now we will remove material by making second sketch. Select reference face and create a new sketch. Here we will use External Geometry tool for providing reference. Select tool. Click on this edge. Reference line is added. It will not take part in sketch. Select line tool. Auto constraints are on. This sketch has single degree of freedom. Provide length to make this sketch fully constrained. Close this sketch. Select Pocket tool to remove material. Click OK. And there you have it. By following along and analyzing the isometric view, you've successfully recreated this part. Well done! Let's export this part in step format. Close this document and import step file. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with time, you'll develop the skills to tackle even more challenging designs. Keep exploring, experimenting, and pushing the boundaries of your creativity. See you in next video.